Hello, hello. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Ipsy Refreshments. Why do I have this box? I got this in the mail today. Motherfucker. Why did I get this? Okay, you know that I just got an order of the refreshments not too long ago. I made a shorts video of it. This time I get it in one of these nice boxes. I've never seen anyone get this box other than influencers. I'm not an influencer. There was no card saying anything about try this shit. But this is that nice box that people have gotten it in. And now all I did was I got the bag. I got like a lot of those bags now. I got the wipes and the hand cream again. And the sticker sheet. I'm just really confused. Why did I get this? Ipsy, why are you sending me this? I don't need this. I don't want this. This shit smells bad. Smells bad. Or super dry and overpriced for what it is. So yeah, please stop sending me this shit. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll talk to you later. Bye.